Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create spreadsheets in LibreOffice Calc in 2026. If you want to organize data, perform calculations, or create tables for work, school, or personal projects, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open LibreOffice on your computer and select Calc from the Start screen. This will open a new blank spreadsheet where you can begin working immediately. Once the spreadsheet opens, you'll see rows and columns made up of individual cells. Click on any cell and start entering your data, such as names, numbers, dates, or other information. Next, move between cells using your keyboard or mouse. This makes it easy to organize information into a structured table. Now, if you need to perform calculations, click a cell and enter a formula beginning with the equals sign. For example, you can add numbers automatically using simple formulas. You can also format your spreadsheet by changing fonts, adjusting column widths, and applying colors or borders to make your data easier to read. Next, use the toolbar options to sort and organize information. This is especially useful when working with larger datasets. If needed, insert additional rows or columns by right-clicking and selecting the appropriate option from the menu. Once you've entered all your data, click File and then Save. Choose a location, enter a file name, and save the spreadsheet to your computer. Finally, review your spreadsheet to make sure everything is correct before sharing, printing, or continuing your work. And that's it. You've successfully created a spreadsheet in LibreOffice Calc and learned the basics of organizing and managing data. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.